Today we're checking the rush hour in Jakarta. Today I will try to go by train in Jakarta rush hour. Come on, follow me. We're here at the train station. Woo! Finish. Not finished. Substitute. Come on. Finish. Yes, green light. Shout out to Innomaret. But Alfamaret is better. Our train is here! Ayo, let's go! Wow, so dingy. It's mandatory to have mask, it's still, you know, for bacteria and for corona. Oh. I hit the head directly in the train. We're gonna do a little bit cinematic, you know? Of course, I went inside where woman only, that's my fault. It's not allowed to sing inside here. In Sweden I sing on the subway every day, you know, but here not allowed. Also, Tidak is andning. Tidak. And Tidak makan, Tidak minum, like Saya Haus, Saya Lapar. And this sign is you cannot open the door and say hi to Baba. Look at this. Tidak, not allowed. This is not disturbing the customer. Whoa! I'm too thinking. Hit the head everywhere. That's crazy. Yeah. Why is this counter built for if you're 170, you know? Oh, bro, I have a motor. Or just the wheel, but still, it's a good start. Hatti Adik. Adik's so lucky, you know. He's in the rush hour. He on his way to work. He's gonna work 9 to 5, you know. Everyone is watching like Sattu Bulle di Jakarta. I don't know, must saying something in the horn like Hatti or something. I don't know, but I want to say like follow. New man screaming. Coaching massage. Coaching. It's coaching. Doo-doo. Dada, hatti. Hello and welcome to Jakarta. Let's see some people here. How was the song? Teko. Anak ayam teko. It's still 10 minutes left and people just coming from the elevator. Like, I'm getting scared now. Like, are everyone going to like fit in this train? Nobody knows, but we will see if you continue watch this video. I see many people uses their phone, but not many on Sonneborg, you know. It's a lot of noises. Screaming to move. Jakarta Tidak Baguslik Claustrophobia. Everyone is screaming. Whoa! Where is my full privilege? hugging each other. Hey. Oh, I don't. Always hitting my head. So nice with air conditioning, but so funny actually. He's still screaming about some reason, I don't know why. Stop lagi. You waving to me? No? He's not waving to me. That was sad. Here it was more quiet, like everyone running their own business and on their phone. Yeah, pretty calm, cozy. Everyone holds each other warm. It's just bless all these people in this train. So many people you have made. So crazy. I'm so happy for that. For being so many people here, it doesn't smell so bad actually. I thought it would feel like smell more sweat, you know, after a long day at work. Sato ticket like Tigaribo, so worth the price, I guess. You know, I cannot like say that. Oh, I want it like this is Tigaribo. Annars barnat. No! Saturagi! Yes!
Thank you, Mas.
Now we're going for a little bit yalan in Wall Street. I know some people don't have a choice, but I cannot understand how you move here. I mean, yeah, you got a lot of money on your work, but this subway, that's a nightmare to have that every day. I have it in Stockholm, but not in this kind of, like, how to say, like, so many people, you know, that, yeah. I'm happy if you are happy, and Jesus loves you, and I love you. Whoa, the car is outside from the screen. Here you cannot choose, it's just 500k every time. This is the money to pay my agent so we can stay in Indonesia. So you are the one that filled the ATM and we take out money. Now we're in Shurina Mall again, just Indonesian products. Minimum. Yeah. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. Now we're going to this coffee shop. Hey. Here was a table outside. We've been looking for outside, you know, but I didn't find outside. But here I need to be a little bit quiet because it's so rich people, you know. Makasih, Pak.
I think you will say something.
Tunggu. No, tunggu. Like, how did you say finish?
Selesai, sudah selesai.
Fly? Sudah fly?
Sudah selesai.
Sudah selesai. Besok Thailand, Bangkok. My assistant stay home in Semarang. Thailand vlog 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
Now include you, and then I go to the airport.
Dadah.
Tada! Tada! Look at this coffee and this like tropical juice. Smell like Bali. He's so little. Du mångså. Yeah, sing for me. Like pay 80. We need to say dada to our money. Where is my mom? Finny. Vad är det? Agus. I want to see if this is bad word. Everyone love it. This best shopping in Jakarta. Okay, terima kasih ya. Dadah. Nasi goreng gila like bulle gila ya. Durian tidak enak ya. First impression, air putih. Air putih, enak banget. Boleh gila terai air putih.